So here is how to fix Minecraft connection timed out Getsockopt error. So first you will need to make sure that your firewall is not blocking the connection. You can go to settings, then type firewall, then Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable it. And then click on OK and try to log in again. Now what you can do as well is make sure you have the correct time settings. Right click in here and taskbar settings and then type time. And then date and time settings. Make sure you sync the time. Now you can close this and open the command line or the terminal for Windows 11. And now you can flush the DNS by typing the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS, and then press enter. And then simply try to restart Minecraft and try to log in again. Now if it still does not work, you'll simply need to reboot the PC and check for the Minecraft files and do a game repair to repair the game files, to repair any corrupted game files, and that should generally fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.